Have you ever wondered how they make those spicy and delicious pepper turkeys at Nigerian parties? If you have, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian pepper turkey in very easy steps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Manuel Wisdom, and welcome to my YouTube channel. After roughly blending your pepper, in a pot, you add your turkey. I put an incision on the turkey at the beginning of this video to enable the turkey cook properly. Then I added my purple and white onion and I added my spices. I wanted this to cook properly, so I let this cook and I added some water to let it marinate properly. I covered this for 10 to 12 minutes. But you can check it as it cooks to see what texture and softness you prefer for your turkey. After cooking it for 7 minutes, I stirred it together and then I covered this to cook for an additional 5 minutes. I took it off the fire and in another pot, I added some vegetable oil and then I fried my turkey. I fried this till it became brownish gold. Now you can also grill your turkey depending on what you like. I know that some people do not enjoy the oil, so you could just put this in an air fryer or put it in an oven to grill for 10 minutes. After frying this beautifully, you don't want to over fry this. So after frying this beautifully, you take it out of the pan. Then I reduced the amount of oil in my pot so that I could make my sauce. I sauteed some onion and then I threw in my chopped peppers. I stirred this all together and I threw in my carrots and my yellow bell peppers. You let this cook for about 2 minutes and then you put in the turkey stock, the stock that we got from for boiling our turkey. We put this in our sauce and then I let this cook for an additional 2 minutes. This tastes amazing and looks even better. I put in some seasoning cube and I stirred this all to combine before I dumped my turkey in it. Tell me this doesn't look good. I stirred this to combine and then I covered my pot and let this cook for an additional 3 minutes. And your turkey is ready to be served. You can serve your turkey with some fried rice or jollof rice. I personally served mine with some noodles. It was really good. If you enjoyed this video, you can follow me for more cooking recipes and you can also subscribe and share with your friends. So that is how to make this turkey. Let's do a taste test. This is our turkey. Let's see how it tastes. Well, let me take a smaller piece. My hands are clean, by the way, so I just want to taste it now. You need to try this. You absolutely need to try this. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.